Hmm?
I love you because you're my aunt.
You do. You love me only because I'm your aunt?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. What are you making?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Just a square. Hey, maybe when you're a grown up, then maybe you can drive me to the movie store when you're a grown up, and then we can go get some cotton candy, okay?
Okay. When's that gonna be?
When can all the dust come out? Look at my hands.
Mm-hmm.